Hi everyone, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, you guys, we are getting so much rain. This is ridiculous. This is way too much. Getting this much rain in Idaho, where I'm at right now, is like getting 5 feet of snow in one day. Okay, you are coming with me for the first time to see how many leaks my greenhouse has in it. Oh goodness, well it's not too bad. Okay, just right here. It is, oh my, look at there, from yesterday. Oh no. Oh you guys, okay. Can you hear the rain? It is pouring. Oh no. Well, I guess I have to empty that out. This is, hi. This is ridiculous. It's got to stop. All right. Well, my plants are loving it. I will say that. Okay. Well, I just wanted to come on real quick. Show you the rain. I told you the heading of this video is the weather in Idaho. It's so unpredictable. Puddles of water. And I want to tell you that if anyone's wondering about why my greenhouse is where it's at, let me explain it to you. Okay, so we had a pool for 25 years. A huge doughboy pool. And so it was sat on that area for almost 25 years. And so and it had sand. And so that dirt right there, that foundation that greenhouse is on is very stable. And that's why we put it there. Because a pool was there. And that is like not going anywhere. Oh, goodness gracious. I'm getting drenched. But remember this yesterday? Oh no. Okay, so I have to move this as well. Okay. I gotta come out. Oh geez. Not my fate. I like rain, but not this much rain. All right. Puddles of water. Ay, ay, ay. You can see it's just coming down. All right. Let's see when this is going to end. Thanks for coming to my channel. Next video. Bye-bye.